patience is a branch of faith and the believer is rewarded for his patience. In the book of Sahih Muslim, it is recorded that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Patience is a branch of faith and the believer is rewarded for his patience." Sahih Muslim, Book 43, Hadith 6714. At first glance, this hadith may seem straightforward, but let's dive deeper into its significance. In the early days of Islam, the Prophet Muhammad's community faced numerous challenges, from persecution to poverty. During these trying times, the Prophet emphasized the importance of patience, not as a means of avoiding difficulties, but as a way to build inner strength and character. By embracing uncertainty and impermanence, we can develop a sense of detachment from external events and focus on the present moment. So, how can we apply this hadith in our daily lives? Here are a few practical steps. Practice mindfulness by focusing on the present moment, avoiding distractions, and cultivating gratitude. Develop a growth mindset by reframing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Cultivate self-compassion by acknowledging your emotions and offering kindness to yourself when you struggle. By incorporating these practices into our daily routine, we can begin to unlock the transformative power of patience. This hadith reminds us that patience is not just a means of coping with adversity, but a way to build inner strength, resilience, and character. By embracing this teaching, we can rise above the challenges of life and achieve a greater sense of peace and fulfillment. In conclusion, the hadith "Patience is a branch of faith and the believer is rewarded for his patience" offers a powerful reminder of the importance of cultivating patience in our daily lives.